Yeah, hi there, and welcome back. And let us continue with our lesson. So, what we will do now is I'll go to the dashboard and check out what are the missing things that we are missing over here and release your app. This is another test. So, let us go to the publish your app to the Google Play Store, the last option over here, and view the tags. So, we still have some options. So, I'll just select the country and add the countries. So I'll just select I think I'll just select all and then just add the countries. If you want to list to a particular countries, then you can just select some of the countries that you prefer to release. So if you release in the country like Australia, and your application will be available only for the Australia. And if you want to download it from the Austria, let's say, you cannot download it because you cannot see that application. It's only released in the Australia. So we have set up that one. Let's go back to the dashboard, and the next step is to select the tester. I think we don't need to go to this test. We want to directly go to the publish the app to the Google Play Store. And I have selected that one, create a new release. So we have to create a new release, or you can go to direct to the production over here from the menu and just create a new release from here or from here. Just create a new release from here, and then we have to upload the file that we have to generate. So I'll just go back over here, and before I generate, I'll just go to the Show in Explorer, and I will replace some of the file over here. So I'll just go to the source and go to main and res, and there is the minmap file over here, and this is the launcher. So I will replace the launcher. I have already generated some launcher, and just copy those launcher and paste it over here. Just replace all of these files, and if you go now, I have added a new launcher over here, and that should be okay. And I'll just go and rebuild the app bundle. Just build the app bundle, and the build is successful. So let me go and take a look at that particular file. Now this is the one, and I will just go back to the here, and I need to upload that particular file. So Google will create and protect your signing key from your app and use it for the each release. So this is a security implemented by Google, so that when you want to update your app, each release has been signed and protected by the app signing key, and this makes sure that your updates are from you. Otherwise, if somebody gets if somebody gets access to your key store file that we have previously created, and they had all of those password stuff, they can actually go and create a different application and update your application based on that signing key. But with the help of the Google, will create and protect your signing key. So this is very difficult to do, or for the other person to get your Google account signing key and release or put an update based on your current application. So this is a security feature that is added by the Google. It's very great. So I'll just continue, and we just have to, okay, so Google is managing your app signing key. Google will manage the app signing key for your app and use it to sign each release. That's great. So we don't have to do all of the headache. Just copy and drag and drop the upload the file over here, .aab, and we got the error. So the Android app bundle was not signed, so I think we forgot to sign in. And when I build, so I have to go to the build variant, and from build variant I have to select the release. So I think I just build with the debug signing key. That's why it's not accepting. So we have to build using the release, because on the release version we have added all of the stuff, and it is signed by the release key config that we have previously set. This is the release key config that we have set up. And now I'll just go and build a new app bundle. And so the build was successful. Let me locate that particular file, And let us go back, and now let me remove this and let me try to upload the new app that release.aab. So previously we were uploading the debug version of that particular application. And let's wait for the upload to complete. And the app bundle has been successfully uploaded, which is current version of 1 and 1.0. Right, and that should be fine. So now we will just put the release note, like let's say INITIAL initial RELES release, and then I will just save this one, and after that save, then we can actually review. So just review, everything should be okay, and review the release. And then now we show some warning. So app bundle contain a native code, and you have not uploaded the debug symbol. We recommend you to upload a symbol file to make your crash and ANR easier to analyze and debug. So this is just for to debug the crash that the application has. But if you are using, I think we are using a Crashlytics, the Firebase Crashlytics over here, and that should not be a problem. So that's just a warning, and I'll just say start rollout to the production. So just roll out. This will release this release will be available to all users on the Google Play, and that should be okay. Just roll out, and this rollout will actually take some time. Basically, on the current situation, it's actually taking around 7 days, but on the normal situation, it will just take around 2 days to approve your application. But due to the COVID situation, for currently it's taking around the 7 days to launch it to the Google Play Store. So after this has been approved, currently it's being reviewed and it will take some time. So once this is released to the Play Store, then we'll continue with our lecture, and on the next section we will be taking up with the CD or the continuous delivery. So on the previous section we learned about the CI or the continuous integration. So the next step would be on the continuous delivery. So let's wait for this application to be published on the Google Play Store, and then we'll come back. Till then, have a great day.